Nobody is coming to save you. Let me be honest with you. This might be uncomfortable to hear, but it's the truth. Nobody is coming to save you. No perfect moment, no miracle opportunity, no person who's suddenly going to show up and fix your life for you. And the sooner you accept that, the sooner your life actually begins. Most people spend years waiting for motivation, waiting for confidence, waiting for someone to believe in them. But here's the problem with waiting. While you're waiting, time is moving. Days turn into months, months turn into years, and one day you wake up wondering how you got so far from the life you imagined. Nobody tells you this growing up, but adulthood is realizing that excuses don't matter anymore. It doesn't matter if your childhood was hard. It doesn't matter if you didn't get the support you deserved. It doesn't matter if life hasn't been fair to you. Those things explain your pain, but they don't change your responsibility. At some point, the responsibility becomes yours, and that moment is right now. See, the world doesn't reward potential. It rewards action. You can be talented, you can be smart, you can have big dreams and good intentions, but none of that means anything if you don't do the work when no one is watching. Most people think they need motivation to start, but motivation comes after action, not before. You don't wake up confident. You become confident by keeping promises to yourself. You don't wake up disciplined. You build discipline by doing hard things even when you don't feel like it. And that's where most people lose. They wait to feel ready, they wait to feel inspired, they wait for fear to disappear. But fear never disappears, you just get stronger than it. Right now, somewhere in the world, someone with less talent than you, less resources than you, and less time than you is outworking you. Not because they're special, but because they stopped waiting. They stopped asking, "What if I fail?" and started asking, "What if I don't try?" Let this sink in. Your life 5 years from now will be shaped by the choices you make today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. The habits you're building, the standards you're accepting, the excuses you're repeating. Every time you choose comfort over growth, you're voting for the same life. Every time you choose discipline over distraction, you're voting for a better future. And yes, it's hard. It's hard to wake up early when you're tired. It's hard to work on yourself when results are slow. It's hard to stay consistent when nobody is clapping for you. But that's the price. Success is paid for in advance with effort, patience, and self-respect. Most people don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because they quit too early. They quit when it gets boring. They quit when progress feels invisible. They quit when they don't get instant results. But the truth is, the most important progress is happening when it feels like nothing is changing. That's when your character is being built. That's when discipline is forming. That's when you're separating yourself from everyone else. Nobody is coming to save you, and that's actually good news, because it means you don't need permission, you don't need validation, you don't need approval. You already have everything you need to start. You don't need to see the whole path, you just need to take the next step. Read one page, do one workout, make one phone call, apply for one opportunity. Small actions done consistently will change your life more than motivation ever will. One day, people will ask you how you did it. They'll call you lucky. They'll say you're talented. They'll say you had help. But they won't see the nights you doubted yourself. They won't see the mornings you didn't feel like getting up. They won't see the times you kept going with no guarantee it would work. And that's okay, because you didn't do it for them. You did it because you refused to stay stuck. You did it because you chose responsibility over excuses. You did it because you finally understood something most people never do. Nobody is coming to save you. And once you accept that, you become dangerous. Because now, everything changes.